Biggest off-campus drive is announced. Interview.io just announced 40,000 per month stipend opportunity. This is going to be a biggest off-campus drive for 7th or 8th semester. One more opportunity, software engineering. New grads means 25, 23 or 26 we can say is eligible, because, and this is not the last date. Basically they uploaded yesterday, so you have to apply it as soon as possible because this will be very soon closing. So please apply it as soon as possible. But first I am going to tell you about interview.io. HD internship is there. Bangalore location is there. Monday to Friday 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. is a working time of working days. 40,000 per month is very good amount of package for 7 or 8th semester. Basically 26, 27 batch is eligible, and this is very big opportunity for you. Only open to student graduating on or before April 2026. So if you scroll down, you will get to see the MERN stack development, basically because Node.js, Next.js is there and PostgreSQL is there. And if you see that one containerization you have to add in resume, and BE Computer Science IT software engineering is eligible. That's it. इतना ही eligible, मतलब इतना ही criteria है. BE BTech CS IT tier 1 tier 2 college students are eligible. 5 or 6 month of prior experience और solid personal project है. इन दोनों में से किसी एक का knowledge होना चाहिए. Now already told you MERN stack development is required. Web development or Docker, Kubernetes, Redis, CI/CD pipeline is required. So please apply it as soon as possible. First you have to update your resume. Give here 26 batch or 27 batches eligible. College name and how many months. If you don't have any experience, click on NA. Give project instead of experience, because if you are not putting your project and putting NA in experience, then they will reject you. Okay, you have to click on yes, because hands-on experience, basically an experience in real world, like you have an internship experience. Or second one is project experience. So front end, full stack और back end is required. तीनों में से जो आता है वो यहाँ पे टाइप कर दो. करंट लोकेशन, आर यू ओपन टू यस लिख देना यहाँ पे. क्लिक ऑन यस फ्रॉम हियर ऑल्सो एंड क्लिक ऑन यस, बिकॉज इफ यू सी इफ शॉर्टेज फॉर द रोल हाउ सून यू कैन स्टार्ट, सो यू हैव टू क्लिक ऑन विद इन 1 week. Click on yes and give your updated LinkedIn profile, give your updated profile and give your updated resume. If you see here, only MERN stack development is required. Don't think too much, just apply it as soon as possible. But these are compulsory. अगर तुम देखोगे यहाँ पर भी तो नॉर्मल तो ये चाहते तो ऐसा भी लिख सकते थे, बट डार्क टेक्स्ट में इसलिए लिखा हुआ है क्योंकि ये सारी चीजें मैंडेटरी हैं. ठीक है, ये सब ऐड करना है, सब नहीं. डॉकर क्यूबरनेट में से किसी एक को AWS यहाँ से करना है. CI/CD pipeline is compulsory. Put these domain. और अगर यहाँ पर जो तुम देख रहे हो ना कि एक्सपीरियंस मांगा है 5 to 6 मंथ का, इसमें 2 ऑप्शन है बेसिकली. फर्स्ट इज 5 to 6 month of experience, सेकंड वन इज पर्सनल प्रोजेक्ट. यहाँ पर देखोगे वही चीज़ है, पर्सनल प्रोजेक्ट और एक्सपीरियंस. तो अप्लाइड एज सून एज पॉसिबल, अपडेट योर resume. So maybe this is going to be a direct test opportunity, because someone is saying that talent mate is going to be a direct test opportunity, but apply it with updated resume and let's see if you got the direct link, then complete it. New grad is eligible. Basically scroll down. So we are looking for someone who meet the minimum criteria to be considered for the role. तो बहुत minimum criteria है इसके लिए, जो कि बहुत easy है. 26 batches eligible. PE BTA ME MTech PhD is eligible. Anyone programming with computer science fundamental is required. And if you see here that personal coding project, again या तो experience या तो personal coding project होना चाहिए. बिल्कुल same as it is इसी का criteria, because this is going to be a new grad. Basically 25 batches eligible for this opportunity. एंड प्रीफर्ड क्वालिफिकेशन देखोगे बहुत इजी, चाहो तो अप्लाई कर लो. और अगर थोड़ा सा और यहाँ पर चीजें देखोगे तो इंटरप्राइज स्किल मिल जाएंगी. पुट दीज डोमेन ऑन योर रेज्यूमे एंड रीड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी विच इज वेरी इजी एंड नॉर्मल. तो ये भी एक SDE का रोल है, ये भी SDE का रोल है. इफ यू कैन यूज सेम रेज्यूमे फॉर बोथ अपॉर्चुनिटी, देन दिस विल बी अ गुड स्टेप यू कैन टेक, बिकॉज यहाँ कंटेनराइजेशन भी है जो कि मैंडेटरी होता है SDE के लिए. CI/CD पाइपलाइन भी मैंडेटरी है और यहाँ पे कम्युनिकेशन स्किल भी मैंडेटरी है. तो यूज ओनली वन रेज्यूमे फॉर बोथ अपॉर्चुनिटी. अपडेट योर रेज्यूमे, अप्लाइड एज सून एज पॉसिबल. So this opportunity is coming from GeoStar. Basically data science internship is there. 6 month of duration of an internship. If you see here, graduates, all graduates is eligible. Basically 25, 24, 23 only batches eligible. Python is mandatory with libraries, और यहाँ पे data platform like Hadoop is compulsory and database is mandatory. So if you scroll down, nothing more is written there, but just you have to read this and put all these domain which is going to be a very basic domain. So please apply it as soon as possible, and please put a Gen AI and LLM develop AI model. You have to, these are your responsibilities basically. ठीक है, जो यहाँ पे लिखी है वो मैंडेटरी है. तो यहाँ पे अगर देखोगे LLM और Gen AI tool is very mandatory. So please apply it as soon as possible. Update your resume, put Google Analytics or these are digital analysis tool. Please apply it as soon as possible with updated resume. So Poshmark Career just announced the biggest opportunity only for 26 batch. Again SDE role is there and web technologies is required. If you see in this video I already told you multiple SDE role. So hit the subscribe button and like this video. The duration of internship will be 6 months. ठीक है, Chennai location is a web engineer internship is this. So scroll down and if you see he pursuing with recently completed 25, 26, 27, 28 batches eligible. So in this hiring again MERN or mean is compulsory, like Node.js, React or MongoDB is compulsory and Node.js, Angular और MongoDB is compulsory. So ये MERN और mean का अगर knowledge है तो you can apply it as soon as possible. This fundamental is very compulsory to put in resume and B.Tech Computer Science IT only is eligible. So if you see here that very basic MERN और mean knowledge is required, जो कि बहुत easy होने वाला है because they are providing you an internship with the duration of 6 months and 25 to 30,000 per month you will get to see in this internship, or maybe ज़्यादा मिले 50,000 55,000. So please apply it as soon as possible. Don't miss a single second because बहुत जल्दी क्लोज हो जाएगी. So please update your resume as per your interest. अगर मर्न का नॉलेज है तो इन तीनों के लिए अप्लाई कर सकते हो तुम. लाइक ये Poshmark हो गया, टैलेंट मीट एंड दिस interview.io. तो लास्ट अपॉर्चुनिटी कमिंग फ्रॉम Oracle स्टूडेंट इंटर्नशिप हो रही है. इफ यू आर परसुइंग कैंडिडेट देन यू कैन अप्लाई इट एज सून एज पॉसिबल. ये ज़्यादा डिफिकल्ट नहीं होने वाला है, करियर लेवल का ही है. मतलब अगर तुम परसुइंग कैंडिडेट हो यू आर एलिजिबल. इग्नोर दिस थिंग बट यू इफ यू आर परसुइंग कैंडिडेट और you want to do internship then apply it as soon as possible. All roles are eligible basically. Just read this that this code is utilized for the majority of a temporary hires. और यहाँ पे ज़्यादा दिमाग नहीं लगाना है, सिर्फ अपना अप्लाई करके छोड़ देना है और ये पार्ट को स्किप करना है. ये ग्लीच है एक तरीका क्योंकि इसमें सिर्फ परसुइंग कैंडिडेट्स एलिजिबल है. तो प्लीज अप्लाई फॉर दीज ऑल 5 अपॉर्चुनिटीज. आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू 5 ऑफ कैंपस मेगा हायरिंग विद द ह्यूज अमाउंट ऑफ स्टाइपेंड. So please like this video, do subscribe my channel, but remember one thing, you have to apply for Infrared and these Get It Europe Digital and 3 bulk opportunity which I already uploaded yesterday. Go and apply it as soon as possible. Watch this video. Thanks for watching.